My favorite place to purchase clip arts for my party printables is muskacliparts.com. I really hope I'm saying that name right. I think I am. But it's Muska, Mujka. Cliparts.com. I love all of her designs, and if you were to go to my Etsy shop, you will totally see that I'm addicted to using her clip arts in my designs. She also have an awesome Facebook group that you can also join. So these are all of the clip arts. Now you can use her clip arts in your designs for commercial use, but with any clip art set that you buy, you want to make sure you are reading the terms of use. I'm going to show you her terms of use on the next screen. Let's say you were interested in using these graduation clip arts boys for your design that you were making for a client, or you wanted to make for a listing on Etsy. So what you want to do before you purchase the set, you want to scroll down to the description box and you want to read the license. Now, this says for personal use and commercial use with credit. You must credit Muska on the page that you are selling your product. You can give credit by just listing graphics by Muska. That's how you can give them credit. Now, you can purchase a commercial license and where you do not have to give credit. So those are your two options. You can find their commercial license here, and I think their commercial license to use all of their sets commercially is around $30, but the price does change, so you want to check that out. Muska Clip Arts is hands down my favorite place to purchase clip arts for my designs. They're really affordable, and she recently added some dollar clip art deals. I mean, you have so much to choose from, and her clip arts are very diverse, really pretty, really nice designs, and you can use them commercially. So if you're interested in Muska Clip Arts, I'm going to leave a link in the description box down below. If you all found this video helpful, please give it a big thumbs up and hit that notification bell and subscribe if you haven't subscribed already. And if you have any questions, please drop them down in the comment section. And if you have any ideas for future videos, please leave them down below. Thanks so much for watching and see you next time. Bye.